guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Maz Naturals. If you're new to this channel, then don't forget to press that subscribe button. I do videos every week on locks, my faith, fitness and skincare. So today's video is about this stuff. This is Irish moss, and a friend introduced me to this product, to this health food, superfood. It's a superfood. When I tell you it's superfood, it's really a superfood. I was using it, I've been using it for a couple of weeks because my friend gave me a sample, and I noticed a difference straight away in my body, and I thought to myself, I need to get this stuff. I need to get it and consume it because it is got like 92 minerals, jam-packed with goodness, good for the body, good for the skin, good for your digestive system, good for your hair growth, and also if you've got eczema, psoriasis, it's good for that as well. It will clear it up in no time. So I'm going to show you how I make this. You can do your research. This stuff is powerful. So basically, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So it looks like that. That's what it looks like. Got a piece of, look what I'm pulling out of it, whatever that is. So yeah, it looks like this, and I'm going to prepare some. So basically, I have a bowl here. What it's got my sea moss in, and I'm basically going to wash it. So I've got my bowl here with my sea moss. Put it with the use of this water here. So I put it in this bowl here. So I'm basically going to wash it, just like when you're doing saltfish. It's kind of similar. So already it's softening up in the water. So once I've kind of rinsed it, once I've kind of swirled it into the water, I'm going to change the water. Give it one more rinse. So already it's loosening up, as you can see. And then I'm going to discard that water. Some people use lemon, but I'm going to use a lime to put into my sea moss. So basically, I'm just going to cut. What I like to do with my lemon, I like to roll it. When you roll it like this, get more of the juice. Also make sure you've washed it, because I've given this a good wash. You can soak it in vinegar if you want. Roll it like this. And then slice it. I'm going to use spring water, a bit of spring water. So I've sliced it in half, the lime. I'm going to fill it up with spring water. Make sure it's fully covered. So basically I'm using 2 bottles of the spring water. Get my lime, squeeze it in the water, See how much juice is coming out? Lots of juice because I've rolled it before I cut it. Same with this one. Squeeze it in. And then just put the limes in the water. You can really feel it loosening up already. See? That's how it's looking, like that. It's loosening up. Amazing. You see how it's swollen? It's expanded already. It's amazing. Look at that. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to put a little bit more water, put a tad more water. Like that, because it really soaks up the water. And then I'm going to cover it. This is how it's looking. I mean, it's not even soaked that long, but it's already swelling up. So you can leave it soaking in the water for 4 hours or overnight, but I'm going to do mine overnight. So from this is now turned to this. Look at it already. It's already swelling. So you can leave it for like 4 hours and then use it straight away, but I'm not going to do that. I want mine to really swell, so I'm going to leave it overnight. So I'll be back to show you what I do after. So stay tuned, guys. Hi guys, it's the next day. Welcome back. It was a long night last night. But look what's happened. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I'm so excited. I am. Has it really got a smell? Look at this. Look how this is. Look how it's look how it's swelled up, guys. It's just amazing. So I'm gonna have to blend it, but I think I might have put too much in. So guys, if you, this amount is a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. I don't like something here what I don't really like. Clean this off. I'm very funny like that. Any little bits I see, I'm taking it off. I want it pure and fresh. So basically, I need to blend this now. So I'm basically going to put it in my blender. Reminds me of squid. So I'm taking out the limes. I'm going to just squeeze some, get the rest of the juice in there. And that also will preserve it as well. The lime will preserve it. And then the water that I used to soak the iris moss, I'm obviously going to be using that to put into my blender.
Blend this up and see what it looks like.
Right guys, so I put too much into the blender, so I'm gonna have to blend it in a couple of bits. Right, so I have to do this in 2 batches now because I did too much. So I'm going to start blending. So blend it for about a minute or so. Let me see what this looks like. I want to see the consistency. That, to me, looks like the perfect consistency. Look at that. That is amazing. So it's like that. That's how it should be. Perfect. So basically, I'm just going to put it in my jar. I've got a clean jar here. Put it in a mason jar, whatever jar you've got. As long as it's glass and it's clean, you're good to go. Let's see, I hope this fits all in the jar. Whoa, whoa, whoa! So happy. Right, so I'm going to blend the other part. I'm going to blend this bit and then I'll be back. So guys, this is my second batch, what I'm doing, what I've blended. This one's a little bit runnier, but I'm going to put it in here just to fill up this jar. So I've got another jar here. So that little bit I used went such a long way. So guys, you don't need a lot, serious. You saw how much I used, so and that did these 2 jars. It did these 2 jars. Out of that little pinch of sea moss, I got these 2 jars full. So you don't need a lot, seriously. I think I even did too much, but I'm gonna use mine in smoothies and I'm gonna try a face mask. So look out for that video because I'm gonna do that video. I'm going to do like a skincare video, so I'll show you how I use this sea moss on my skin. So yeah guys, that's it. It's so simple. I mean, I think this is good for my first time of making sea moss gel. The consistency is perfect. So all I will do now is put that in the fridge for about 4 hours and then it's good to go. I can use it and it will keep in the fridge for up to about a month or 3 weeks to a month, I'd say. And yeah, guys, use it. It's got so many benefits of using this sea moss. And try and get the purest one as you can. This is high grade and this cost me $5.99. You might be able to, you can get it cheaper, but like I said, it's not about the it's not about getting the cheapest one, it's about getting the good quality one. And I think that this one's a good quality one because, as I said, my friend introduced me to it. This is the one she used, I liked it, so that's the one I got. So, you know, look around, shop around. You can't get it from your local market where I got mine from. You can get it from places like Amazon or your health food shops. They will sell it, so shop around guys. But yeah, I'm so happy that I'm gonna use this towards good health. I've heard of sea moss before, but I've never ever used it. So I'm gonna test it out and then I will come back. I'm gonna come back and tell you guys how I feel. But like I said, I was only using it for 1 week. 1 week guys, I was using it and I felt amazing. I could tell the difference. My body was cleansing, you know. I felt like it, I was getting a good cleanse. So guys, as always, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the notification bell so you will be alerted of my up and coming videos. So as always, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay uniquely you. And I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Mwah.